guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to attend for a company iftar party. So guys, eto, na-pick up na kami ng service namin going to the venue. Yun, dun sa aming iftar. So eto na sila guys. Kasama ko na ang aking mga colleagues. Ito na kami sa... Say hi, John.
Hello!
So yung iba sa amin, hindi nakaten. Ate Arshani. Hello, kuya. So yan guys, pupunta kami. Kakain kami, lalapang kami. Ano ba yun, Arabic food? Jolly Arabic food? Mix, no? So yan guys. Night off namin ngayon, so we will enjoy. We're going to company's iftar party. Dinner. So, I'm still sleepy guys. I woke up like around, I think, 1:30. 1:30. Yeah. Who's the first one? Okay. So yun guys, punta kami ng... Ate, it's located in Yas, right? Yas area. So yun guys, mamaya makikita nyo yung kung paano namin celebrate yung iftar party namin, dinner with our colleagues. So yun guys, kita-kita tayo. Last year guys, dito kami nag-celebrate sa Sheraton. Sa Sheraton Hotel. So ngayon papunta na kami sa may Yas Acres. Yun, doon yung celebrate yung aming iftar party. So nandito na kami ngayon sa may Corniche area. So in a while, like around 30 to 40 minutes, we will reach the venue. So yun guys, samahan nyo kami. Sana mag-enjoy tayo. Masarapan sa mga food na isi-serve nila sa amin. sa UN. Talagang meron silang tagalinis, tsaka responsible yung mga yung mga nakatira dito. So yun yung magandang nila rito. Mga rules na ni-implement siya. So papunta na kami ng North Yes. I think North Yes yung venue ng aming hectare. So yan guys, nandito na kami sa may Yas area. So I think dito lang yung venue ng aming Fort Victor. I think malapit na kami. So excited na kami. Gutom na kami guys. So kakain kami dito. Ay, hindi, wala pa ako ng girl. Oh. So last year guys, sa Sheraton kami nag-iftar yung company namin. So this time, dito naman kami sa may Yas area. So first time namin lahat makikita yung venue ngayon. Yung normal. Guys, I think nandito na tayo. Yas Acres Golf and Country Club. Ayan guys. So nandito na tayo. So mag-golf, we will play golf ate. So yun guys, nandito na kami. So hanapin na lang namin kung saan yung place. So ang ganda nung lugar nila rito. Ang dami rin nung girl, ang dami rin nagpupunta. So maybe it's like a villa, no? Okay. Villa style. I think this one. Yeah, maybe here. I think we are the first here, no, Kim? I think this one.
Ayan, is there. Vernon is there.
Sir Vernon. Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Thank you Kuya. Kuya, come. Come with us. They will eat also, no? Okay. Nandito na kami guys. No? And guys, nandito na kami sa may venue ng aming iftar. Ayan siya. It's a nice view. Say hi guys. They are my friends at work. Say hi Kuya. So guys, we are here to break na. It's a break for us to celebrate iftar. So pasok na kami guys. na lang tayo. Kung gusto nyo rito. Ayoko dyan kita kagad. Dito na lang tayo. Or on the other side.
Para malapit tayo sa akin.
Dito na lang tayo. Ate, let's go. Maybe the boss here, no?
Wow, nice.
Donna will sit with us. Donna.
It's really very
Yeah.
beautiful there. Location.
We need sunset. So yan guys, nandito na kami. Ang daming pagkain guys. Ayun siya. So this also place will occupied by our company or they said let's go there on that side. Okay. So yan guys, say hi. Ito na po kami.
There's no view there.
Yes, we need to go. Let's make video. So guys, ito po yung mga food. Ayan guys. Say hi kuya. Welcome to my vlog. So yan guys, nandito na kami. Nandito na rin yung ibang ano. 360.
Tinatamagan ko to eh.
Ayan ang aming mga boss. Sir,
Yes, boy.
Nice view.
Sir Antonia. Sir Antonia.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's a vlogger na.
Send me the video later, okay?
Yeah. So, say hi. Sir. Yeah, video. This is my boss.
Hey, Ali. What's up, man?
So we are here to celebrate Victor. So guys, mas marami nung last year compared this year. Kasi last year kasama natin yung ticket. So ngayon, nalipat na kasi na from other months.
What's up? Ah, Habib. All good?
Ay, si Ate Sam.
Wala doon.
It's okay, sir. Yeah. For the boss.
What's for the ball? Tension ball.
Ha? Hindi. Ni-reserve namin.
Nakalit mo namin
So it will go around?
It's recording now.
Ah.
After you record, just press.
By face here, like this.
Yeah, like a football game, you know?
Yes, person by person. Food by food.
Experience. Zoom in, bro. Oh, that is for sister.
So yan guys, nandito na kami sa video. You said video. Why you are posing? Yeah, this is video. So we are here now in what's the name?
Golf Country Club.
Golf
Country Club.
Acres. So yan guys, and then sunset. You will see the sunset view.
Yeah.
Nice.
Lots of food hate.
Yeah.
You see guys how beautiful this place. Very relaxing. No?
Feel lazy to wake up, but after that it's fine. Because for us, we come from night. For you,
Morning.
Osmo.
Will you mistake me? Will you mistake me?
Then for us,
Osmo.
Osmo.
Osmo, that's the name, right?
yeah, awesome. Market, yeah.
Will you have before the other one?
This is the one. Yeah.
But you can extend it as a
Like that. When there's a number counting.
You will start now live.
We didn't take Formosa. Nice, nice.
And then round the other side.
Yeah, make round again. Don't show my socks.
Guys, if you want to start to get the salad, or don't want to be
Start already.
Ah, okay.
There's one there, right? Asad. Asad.
Hi, ma'am. I think this is good. So yan guys, ang sarap ng food. Ate, this is Arabic. Arabic or? So guys, meron silang kebab, squid, samosa, grilled chicken. Yan. And then this lentil soup. So tasty. Ayan guys, nice food ha. So yan guys, lapang na kami. Kaya na po si Donna, ang aking friend. Lumalapang na siya.
Ready to.
Hindi ako nag-rice girl. So ayan po guys, kumakain na kami.
Kain tayo.
Ang sarap ng aming food. Want to sawa kami.
Sarap ng soup.
Wala kaming baon ngayon.
Nireserve ko lang.
So guys, first time. First time nyo napunta rito tayo.
Nalipat tayo ba?
Hindi, kami na yung umalis. Nagdatingan na sila eh. So, nakakaya naman, di ba? Kami pa yung... Ba't wala si Sir Richie?
Night pa yun. Saan nyo natin sila?
Next batch?
Night sa kasama.
Hindi mas Madam Cindy morning kanina.
Sino?
Madam Cindy.
Dapat sa sunod.
Sinra nag-message sa akin. Hindi pala talaga siya sumasalis ng gano'n.
Pero talit kami, di ba? Pero
Hmm.
hindi yung pangalan niya.
Nilis na lang daw na yan. So yung mga driver hindi kumain. Nung last year kumain sila, di ba? Nasi kumain sila.
Nantikin kaluan kalau dengan dia. Dika kaluan kalau dengan dia.
Ano yun? Handaran, gila na.
Yung sauce mo mo.
Ano na yun?
Favorite ko yan.
Sudah tuh.
Sino?
Bukan Tina macam. Tina memang dia.
Very masaya. So,
Bye! To the home.
yes. Guys. You enjoy, guys?
Please open your bag.
Yes, bro.
So yan guys, natapos na yung aming iftar party dinner. So na-enjoy naman girl, no? Sis, na-enjoy naman natin, na. So ang ganda, ang sarap ng pagkain, busog na busog kami guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on our next vlog. So yeah, thank you girl, thank you. So keep on watching. God bless, bye and stay safe.